Hello everybody, let's talk today about Cartier. Now, we're going to be talking about one of the new pieces that they recently launched, which I happen to have right here. So, I have been trying to find a pair of everyday simple earrings, and I've been looking at different brands. When I saw these, I knew that these would be the earrings that I would want to show you guys and recommend as a very, very multi-use piece of jewelry that I think you guys are going to love. So, in here we have the little red Cartier bag. You have the little jewelry cleaner, which I think you guys have all seen because I've talked about this in other videos. And then last but not least, we have the box. Actually, no, last but not least is the little travel pouch. Okay, so let's get to it. These are fairly new, and sadly, these were also affected by the price increase, which I said I was not going to talk about, but there it is. There is my little talk about the price increase. I believe these went up $700, if I'm not mistaken, from the time that they launched to, well, now. I'm such a rough unboxer because I literally just rip everything. Okay, so let's take track. You stay over there. So let's get to the piece of resistance. These are from the Love collection. They are in rose gold with a little bit of pavé diamonds, and they are these. I thought for every day, these are pretty iconic, and you definitely cannot go wrong with anything from the Love collection because it is iconic. It's been around since the 70s. It's not going anywhere. It's literally one of those pieces of jewelry that you will have a lifetime and it'll never go out of style. The reason that I love these so much is because there's several ways that you can wear these earrings. Now let me take these off and do a little close-up. So the clasp for this is actually super easy to put on and off. You pretty much just open the back, click, which I don't know if you'll be able to hear. It's very subtle. No, you can't hear that. But there's a tiny little click there. I'll put one on and then I'll show you the different ways that you can style this piece. I do think for what they are, they're actually not crazily priced. I mean, would I like for them to be cheaper? Obviously, but for having a little bit of diamonds, I just didn't think the price was super crazy. They're very comfortable. They're very easy to put on. I tried on the new Clue ones, which I'll put a picture somewhere up here. And I felt like these were better. They're just easier to style. And I already have some, oh, I still have an earring on this one. And I already have a little bit of funky Cartier earrings from the Ecru collection. So I was really looking for something classic. And I don't think you can get more classic than anything from the Love collection. I'm always cutting my head in these videos. I gotta find a way of putting the camera better. There we go. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to show you this, guys, but here them on in one of the ways that you can wear them. I actually think the length is perfect. It's not super long, but it is long enough that if you have long hair, you still get that movement and it's not going to get hidden by a lot of hair like me because I am a hairy beast. So this is one way that you can style them, which the reason that I bought them was for this. I had seen them online and I was like, you know what? These could be perfect for every day. The other way that you can style this is you can take them off and the loop actually comes off. So you can wear them just as huggy earrings if you want. Let's put this one on. Cute little huggy earrings with the diamonds on. You can do a mix and match situation if you want. You can also, let me take this one off. You can put both loops or hoops or circles, however you want to call them, into one ear and then really create that cool mix and match style of earrings, which I'll put them on. They're not heavy. They're actually quite comfortable. I thought these were easy to put on and off than the Clue version. So this is another way where you can just have a little bit of a playfulness there and not here. I will most likely wear them with both hoops on or as cute little huggies. And when you're wearing them just as huggies, which, I mean, they're so stinking cute with a little diamond. When you wear them as just huggies, you take the little loops, whatever I've been calling it. I'm not even sure what I'm calling them. I have a cute little Cartier chain. You can put them through the chain. And now you also have a Cartier Love necklace, which I think it's, again, very versatile, very practical. And you have so many different ways of styling this piece that I was like, this to me is a no-brainer. This is something that you can go from day to night very easily. There's just so many different ways that you can play with it. And how cute would this be? Like, this is a great necklace. You don't have to put two of them. If you want more of a single look, you can just take one off, put the other one, and have a very simple and dainty Love necklace. So I'm gonna put one of these back on because I wanna show you something. In my mind, how I was like, you know what? This is actually a good price point for what you're getting. So let me put this one on so you guys can visualize. So I don't think that you can get a pair of earrings that will do as much as these do, because you can go from an everyday huggy with the diamonds. You can go for a little bit more movement when you add the little loop, hoop, whatever you want to call it, and length. And you also got yourself a good necklace. And you can also make a little bracelet out of these. You can definitely put a nice little twirly through them. You can even get a silk cord and create one of, where is it? One of these bracelets with just the one loop. So from a versatility standpoint, these earrings get a 10 out of 10. From a price point, I'm gonna give them, I don't know, like an 8 out of 10. Just because, I mean, they are Cartier, so obviously you are paying for the brand. They do have diamonds and you get multiple wear out of it. So I'm gonna give them an 8 out of 10. From looks, I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10. From comfort, 10 out of 10. So I highly recommend looking at these earrings. I had actually gotten a couple of DMs asking me if I had tried them on and if they were heavy, and I can confirm that they are extremely, extremely, extremely comfortable. And on that note, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's pieces of jewelry that you guys want me to feature, review, or what topic should I do next. And on that note, adios.